When it comes to Hollywood, the name Morgan Freeman is one of the most in demand in the industry. He's almost in every movie, if you know what that means. Morgan Freeman is an absolute powerhouse in the world of entertainment. Morgan Freeman's deep, resonant tones are practically a force of nature. That voice isn't just a voice, it's a symphony of authority, warmth, and pure coolness. It's the kind of voice that could make reading the phone book sound like a blockbuster movie. And his acting skills? Immaculate. No wonder he's always on the big screen. In this video, let's talk about the hard-earned luxury lifestyle of Morgan Freeman. But first, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to this YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest in the luxury world. At Luxury Mindset, we bring you all luxurious information ranging from items, cars, houses, places, and even people who bathe in luxury. Not only that, but we also give you pretty much the amount you would need to purchase any of this luxurious stuff. So if you are interested in the rich, becoming rich, or even dreaming of lying on a mattress of gold or dollar bills, click the notification bell to keep yourself updated on this channel. Imagine living in a fancy and private home that's so hard to find, even with GPS. Well, that's the reality for the famous actor Morgan Freeman. He has a lot of money, and in this video we'll check out his amazing house, his cool cars, and all the movies and TV shows that made him super rich. Get ready to be amazed by how Hollywood royalty lives. Now let's talk about Morgan Freeman's hobbies. Not everyone has the same interests, and according to him, courage is super important in life. So, what does he like to do? He has a collection of expensive art and takes care of pets like dogs and cats. And in June 2021, he and Professor Linda Keener gave $1 million to create a center at the University of Mississippi. Surprisingly, he got his pilot's license at 65, follows Zoroastrianism, loves classic movies like King Kong and Moulin Rouge, enjoys golf, and is really into beekeeping. It's a mix of cool things that show how diverse and interesting his life is. Now, let's get into his personal life. He was married to Janetta Dare Bradshaw from October 22, 1967 to November 18, 1979. After that, he married Myrna Colley Lee on June 16, 1984, but they separated in December 2007 and officially divorced on September 15, 2010. Freeman has 4 children: Alfonso, Dina, Morgana, and Saifullah Freeman. He and Myrna Lee also adopted Freeman's step-granddaughter, Adina Hines, from his first marriage. Sadly, Adina was tragically murdered in New York City on August 16, 2015. Morgan Freeman is the youngest of 5 siblings, and he's friends with people like Kenny Chesney and Phil. Besides making a lot of money, Freeman directed the drama film Bofa and co-founded a film production company called Revelations Entertainment with his business partner, Laurie McCreary. Known for his unique and deep voice, Freeman has used it for various projects, such as narrating the film War of the Worlds in 2005 and the documentary March of the Penguins. Apart from acting and narration, Freeman was the voice for several Visa commercials until 2018. More recently, he reprised his role as Alan Trumbull in the third Has Fallen film, Angel Has Fallen, which did well at the box office, earning $147.5 million worldwide. Morgan Freeman's estimated net worth is around $250 million. Sounds amazing, right? Well, let's get into his residences. Morgan Freeman's main residence is a stunning 124-acre ranch near Charleston, Mississippi. He acquired the land from his parents in 1991 and built a beautiful hacienda-style home that blends seamlessly with the natural surroundings. The property features serene lake views, well-maintained gardens, and an abundance of trees. The house, visible from above, provides ample space for Freeman, his family, and guests. The ranch includes a large pool and a fully equipped guest house, and serves as a honeybee sanctuary with 26 beehives and lavender and magnolia trees. Horses also roam the property, adding to its tranquility. Although Freeman has a residence in New York City, it's clear that his Mississippi ranch is his sanctuary, a place of solace and serenity. He owns a variety of cars, including a GAMC Denali, Tesla Model X, 2004, Chevrolet Corvette, Chevrolet Silverado, Ford Mustang GT, 350, Lamborghini Aventador, and Toyota Tundra. Additionally, Freeman has owned at least 3 private aircraft: a Cessna Citation 501, a Cessna 414, and an Embraer SJ30. All these cars would surely fit in his residence's massive garages. Looking back at his journey, Morgan Freeman's path to Hollywood was unique. Raised by his grandmother in Mississippi and later moving to Chicago to live with his mother, Freeman discovered his passion for acting at a young age, playing the lead role in a school play at 9. After serving in the United States Air Force and moving to Los Angeles, he worked odd jobs while pursuing his dream. His career took off in the mid-1960s with his debut in the all-African-American Broadway production of Hello, Dolly. He gained momentum in the late 80s and early 90s with roles in notable films like Street Smart. Freeman reached the pinnacle in 2005, winning an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor in $1 Million Baby. Throughout the 2010s, he showcased versatility in both drama and comedy on Broadway and in various films. His recent projects include roles in The Comeback Trail and the highly anticipated sequel, Coming to America. So, which of Morgan's movies is your favorite? How about his lifestyle? Which one do you think is the best part of it? And have you had any encounter with Morgan himself? Share your experience in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please click the notification bell to stay updated with the latest in the luxury world, only here at Luxury Mindset. See you in the next video.